Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to learn about RFID. So what is an RFID? RFID stands for radio frequency identification, and it transfers data wirelessly using electromagnetic fields, and it uses for the purpose of automatically identifying and tracking tags attached to the objects. RFID can be used in many applications like access management, tracking of person and animals, contactless payment. So basically how it works is the tag contains electronically stored information, and when the reader gets the power, it starts to create an electromagnetic fields. That electromagnetic fields powers up the tag, and at the same time it receives the information from the tag, and if the tag UID is available in the database, it's going to accept it, otherwise it's going to throw an error. Here's the library for this RFID, RC522. That's the module that I'm using. Go ahead and download this library, and when you finish downloading, you're gonna see in the RFID folder, you're gonna see a doc folder. In the fritzing folder, you're going to see some PNGs where it shows you how to connect this RFID module to the Arduino. Now go ahead and open the sketch called the dump info from this library's example, which is right there, and that's the example which will show you the UID that your RFID has. So upload it and open up the serial monitor and place your tag near the RFID reader, and you're going to see some data coming up onto your screen, which is right there, and it is going to show us the UID and some sectors that it has in the tag, but we are only interested in the UID, so just make a note of the UID, and we're going to use this in the next example. So this is my code, and in the my card variable I've added the UIDs of the white card and the blue card, and now I'm going to upload it to the Arduino, and now I'm going to open up the serial monitor, and we are going to see a yellow LED blinking. They're just waiting for a card, and when we do that, if the right card is inserted, is going to show the message, and the green LED will go on, as you guys can see here. And now I'm going to change the code here from the blue card variable there from 2B to 2A, just to make it false. Now when we place the blue card, it will going to return false and shows the error message, and the red LED will go on blinking very fast, as you guys can see there. So that's about it for this video, I guess. Hope you like this video, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one. And if you gain any knowledge from this video, leaving a like will be greatly appreciated, and thanks for watching.